Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. The goal of my YouTube channel is to help people to eat a healthier diet. With my fast cooking system, and the word fast is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. To cook meals from all fresh ingredients. However, home cooking in this modern era could be quite a challenge for many people, partly because of the lifestyle that we lead, and partly because there are a large abundance of options available, mainly in the form of fast and processed food. And therefore, home cooking has increasingly become optional. For most American families, home cooking is no longer a tradition. Many people never have the opportunity to learn how to cook. David is a good example of such a person. When I first met David, he told me that he is so terrible in the kitchen that he even doesn't know how to boil water. Of course, that's an exaggeration, but it reflects of his experience in the kitchen. After David's wife died from cancer at a relatively young age, for the following 2 years, David subsists on nothing but fast and processed food. David started to gain weight, and he suffered from some health issues. His doctor told him that he needed to change his diet. David tried for about 6 months without too much success. That's when he heard about my fast cooking system. He wanted to give it a try. At the end of the cooking class, David came up to me and he told me that I think this system will work for me. I like its simplicity. He said that he's going to get a wok the next day and start on it right away. It was almost about 1 year later. I ran into David at a checkout line in a supermarket. I almost did not recognize David because he has lost quite a bit of weight and he looks 10 years younger. David told me that if I have a few minutes, he would like to sit down with me for a cup of coffee because he would like to tell me about his experience with his cooking using the fast cooking system. And when we sat down, the first thing David told me is that the fast cooking system has changed his life. First of all, he has gone from somebody who did not cook at all to a person now cooks every day. Cooking has now become a central part of his life. Not only he enjoys cooking, in fact, he looks forward to enter into the kitchen every evening to cook. He said when he first started adopting the fast cooking system, he was quite nervous. He told me that the first thing he started to do is to get familiar with the wok. He bought a stainless steel wok as the one I have recommended to him. He said it was very important that he used every opportunity that he could find to cook with the wok. In fact, now he uses his wok for 99% of all the cooking that he does in the kitchen. He realized that more he becomes comfortable with the wok, the more he will use it in his cooking. He also decided anything that he wants to eat, he is going to cook them in the wok. Of course, he will fry eggs in the wok. He makes egg omelette in the wok. He also used the wok to fry hamburgers, although he does not eat hamburger that much anymore. He even used the wok to make grilled cheese sandwich when his niece and nephews come to visit him. And recently, he even started to make popcorns in the wok. He told me that he has become bonded with the wok. He told me jokingly, if his house on fire, the first thing he is going to grab is his wok. He told me that become familiar with the wok and its usage is an important transition for him to go from fast and processed food to home-cooked meals. To eat food only come from the wok means that he will eat only food that he cook. And by constantly using the wok, David became a better cook in very short period of time. David told me that after he started cooking for a while, he immediately recognized the significance of advanced prepping. David said advanced prepping makes cooking far more efficient and conducive. And by dividing the prepping and cooking, David told me that he can cook his dinner in much quicker and shorter time. Instead of spending an hour or longer to cook a meal, David now can prepare a dinner in less than 30 minutes with all fresh ingredients. And more importantly, cooking is more fun and leisurely. And he told me that that is a very important factor for him to keep cooking because it helps him to relax. David also told me that over the past year, he has lost almost 35 pounds. He said the main reason is that he is eating far more vegetables. And with advanced prepping and stir frying, he is able to create wonderful vegetable dishes that he enjoys. And through home cooking, he is eating about the same amount of food, but with far less calories, in comparison to the fast and processed food that he used to eat. And not only right now, he eats no fast and processed food. In fact, he hardly eats out at all, because he likes his own cooking better than anybody else would have cooked for him. David told me that now he cooks all his food using template-based cooking. He has about 10 to 15 templates that he knows very well. And for each of these templates, he can come up with about 5 to 10 different variations. As consequently, he can easily cook something like 60 to 100 different dishes anytime he wants. And when he combines the templates together, he has almost infinite varieties of dishes in his repertoire. In fact, in the past 6 months, he has yet to cook the same dish twice. When he cooks for his friends and family members, they are always surprised by how many different variations that he can come up with his meals. He is now considered by them as an exceptional cook. And he tried to explain to them everything is actually quite simple by following the fast cooking system, with flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. He told me that he is most grateful that I introduced the fast cooking system to him. Cooking now has become an integral part of his life. He told me that he definitely will maintain this lifestyle for the rest of his life. And he said that the cooking system will only help him to become better, to establish a healthy relationship with food. I post a video every day to help people to learn as well as to adopt my fast cooking system. If you are interested in the fast cooking system and would like to see how it will change your life, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.